Righto team, so we've got a new weapon in the videography arsenal. I've just picked myself up a DJI Neo drone, and this is my first impressions of the little thing. So to start off with, this tracking feature that it's got built into it is pretty darn nifty. So I took it out walking the dog, obviously, attempting to get him to fetch sticks with limited success, and the drone did really well at tracking me. It followed me all the way around the bush track, and it did it pretty darn well. Now, I'm using the phone app to control it here, which was one of the reasons I chose the Neo, apart from it being very, very affordable. And I'm not going to lie, I'm quite impressed with it. So you can set it up to do all sorts of typical drone things, and it will do it automatically. So the tracking feature is pretty clever, and despite this drone not having any sort of obstacle avoidance technology, it does pretty well at finding its way through this tricky, tight bush track. So it's definitely going to widen what I can do in terms of videography for the On Throttle channel. Now, one of the main things I got it for was to do sort of establishing shots, and right here I'm using the phone app to control it to try and sneak a view of the Cambridge Victoria Bridge over here on the Waikato River. Now, the range while using the phone only is pretty limited from what I can tell, so I will be able to get some better and wider shots, but knowing I can just whip out my phone and take this tiny drone with me is going to make live and videography so much better. And another type of shot I'm quite keen to try and do more of is sort of a circular motion around whatever the subject happens to be. Obviously, my veggie garden, as pathetic as it is just standing in for a motorcycle here, but you get the gist. I want to be able to get some nice, smooth shots, which I just haven't been able to really do while holding the camera and trying to pan past stuff. It's sort of been shaky and a bit wobbly. And yeah, I'm pretty keen to try this out and get a few more interesting shots, try and learn all the vocab like droney and circle shots and whatnot, but it's all looking good pretty much. The dog as well, he's getting used to it. He's only plucked it out of the sky once, so yeah, we're going to have a bit of fun with this drone, I think. I'm hoping it's going to elevate what I'm able to produce for the On Throttle channel, and just it's a good bit of fun. So thanks for watching. This has been my first impressions of this thing. Hopefully we'll get to use it a lot more, and hopefully I'll see you in the next video.